Right, what's happening? Tell you what's happening. Beetle things, that's what's happening. Just a little blog video into the day-to-day life that will go up on the channel at some point. 65 Beetle, 1200 shell, 1600 twin port engine. There she is, look. Literally, I've done about 500-600 miles now, and yes, I had paperwork came with the car, it was recently serviced, engine work, all that done. You know, I like to check all this stuff myself, so boy goes in with a 21mm socket, gets it done. Check this out. Change the spark plugs on it. Look at the state on them, I'm not even joking. And the feeler gap was way out on them as well. Literally, got to be 0.6 mm on there. Way off. So yeah, I'm amazed by the state of it. So we did that, changed the 4 of those. Cylinders 1 and 3 can be a bit of a nightmare, so they just come off, you know, easy to do. And also when I was there, checked the oil, and I was running a bit low, so proper golden one, air cool special, that's what it is. That's if you want to put the proper stuff in it. SA30, there we go. Literally not even a lot of money, just canvas, I think I had it off. So yeah, I'm gonna do a full service at some point, change the leads and everything, but that'll keep me going in the meantime. Gonna drain the oil at some point, but literally it was not too bad, it was just running a little bit low, so at least that's topped up. And yeah, that's a little bit of a day-to-day thing, but just make sure you get the spark plugs at the right depth in there. You know, you don't want to be put them a bit wrong in there, because you're gonna be running a bit too all over the place, not getting enough spark, and yeah, doesn't add up to good stuff, does it? So that's a wrap from me. Viking number 1 out. Bush.